everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to share with you 5 must-see beaches in Cornwall that we think you guys should visit. This is the first part of the series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future Cornish content. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will be in the description box. We also have individual vlogs of most of these locations, so I will leave those linked down below too. Let's get to it. Up first is Porthminster Beach. Located in the harbour town of St Ives in West Cornwall, Porthminster Beach is a large accessible beach with far-reaching views, with St Ives Harbour to the left and Godrevy to the right. The beach is just a short walk from the town centre, amenities, bars, shops and art galleries. Porthminster is a blue flag beach, having won awards for its commitment to environment, water, quality and safety. The beach is family friendly and safe for swimming. It's also fully accessible and there are sand chairs you can hire from the cafe. Whilst you're in St Ives, make sure to check out the town, the island and the other beaches and harbour. It's a really lovely place to look around. Up next is Porth. Porth is looked after by the National Trust and is located in St Agnes on the North Cornish coast, south of Newquay. Porth is a small but very popular beach. Be sure to check the tide times though before visiting Porth. When the tide is out, there's an expansive, large golden sand beach, tons of waterways and rock pools to explore, but when the tide is in, the beach pretty much completely disappears. Access to the beach can be tricky for some, but is worth it. It involves some steep and rocky terrain. It is fine for children and toddlers, but would not be accessible for prams or wheelchair users, unfortunately. There is a small cafe, toilets and parking open seasonally. Whilst you are in the area, be sure to check out St Agnes Village, the Beacon, St Agnes Beach and the world famous Wheal Coastal Heritage Site. Thirdly, we think you should check out Gillingvays Beach. Gillingvays Beach is located in Falmouth in the southwest of Cornwall, known for its deep natural harbour on the Fowey estuary. Gillingvays Beach is Falmouth's largest and most popular beach because it's so close to town, great for children and swimming, it has great amenities and it is accessible for all. The beach is mostly golden sand with rock pools to explore. At low tide you can walk around to what's known as Castle Beach with far-reaching views of Pendennis Castle. There's a lovely coastal walk from Gillingvays over to Swamppool Beach, which is another lovely golden sand beach in Falmouth. Be sure to also check out Pendennis Castle, Falmouth Town and Harbour on your travels to Falmouth. Up next is one of our personal favourite beaches, which is Marsden. This is one of our favourites for many reasons. It's really accessible for all. Wheelchairs and prams can access the beach on the slipway, which is not too steep. It is super family friendly with a large green and play park right next to the beach. The views are to die for over St Michael's Mount, Penzance and Marsden Village. The beach is expansive, so even when it's busy you can still have plenty of room to play and explore. Marsden is also great for swimming, water sports and sailing. Be sure to try walking the causeway over to St Michael's Mount, walk the coastal path down to Penzance or check out Marsden Village or Marsden Marsh, which is just across the road. The last beach I'm going to share with you today is Ready Money Cove. This is one of our favourite little coves and it neighbours the town of Fowey. The beach is small but perfectly formed. In the wintertime it is really quiet little getaway down here. It is a southeast facing beach, so it's lovely and sunny. The beach is great for swimming and water sports. It is a fairly sheltered cove with high reaching cliffs to each side. Be sure to check out Fowey Town and Harbour if you are in the area. Let us know if you have visited any of these beaches. We will have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our channel seen. I will pop all of these similar videos in a playlist for you so they are easy to access. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!